Our project is about the estimation of the range of motion associated with muscle power. This work has been in progress since 1 semester ago. Our goal is the update of the knee brace hardware and software to enhance the torque quantification method for the Daniel scale compared to the previous stage of the project. Our background is in physiotherapy. The Daniel scale is a commonly used tool. This is a subjective system that relies on the doctor or physiotherapist who conducts the test.
Scale used in physiotherapy to determine the muscle activity of a patient with a medical history of injuries and or disabilities. It can be applied to all joints of the body. In this case, the team focused on the knee. The scale is composed of 6 levels, bespoke by medical personnel from the CRIC who share the need of a device that would allow the determination of a scale without the need to apply a force with their own body.
As mentioned, this is a continuation of a project initiated by two team members. As can be seen in version 1, the device was less robust because the actuator or motor had lower strength or capacity. Therefore, for this second version, it was proposed to use an exoskeleton motor from the brand CubeMars, and the entire device was redesigned to withstand the force applied by it. The device consists mainly of 5 pieces: thigh, knee, and shin handlers, with the latter being where most of the force generated by the motor is applied. It also includes the electronic box and the actuator. It is worth to say that there is the base that allows the box and the motor to be placed, as well as the link that assembles with the motor shaft. Also, there is a diagram that shows how the device should look on the user's leg.
The user interface is implemented through Python, enabling Bluetooth connection, allowing the visualization of the encoder data and myoelectric signals, as well as configuring the motor mode.
Well, in the part of the operation mode, we have two modes of operation. The first one is the spring mode. This mode allows the motor to apply variable force when lifting the leg. As the angle increases, the force increases simultaneously. It operates at 12 levels, and the maximum force at 180-degree angle depends on the set level. The maximum defined weight is about 4 kilograms. The second operation mode is a mode called constant torque. This mode allows the motor to apply a constant force at 12 different levels also, with a weight ranging from 0 to 5.6 kilograms, depending on the level. The increase in the force is linear as the set level is changed.
After the constant torque test, it is possible to export an Excel file with the test results. The following information is reflected: the leg on which the test is performed, the maximum range of motion without weight, the maximum angle reached with applied weight, the weight applied, where the user passes the test considering a 5% margin of error.
In the results, it is observed that injured individuals, as the force increases, achieve a smaller range of motion. This angle descent shows a notable drop, whereas an injured individual exhibits a less pronounced linear drop. Finally, an individual over 25 years old is analyzed, and the results are markedly different. Therefore, it is considered important to conduct a study with another age range later on.
As it is a biomedical device, it was necessary to base it on the IEC 6601 standard to ensure user safety, as well as to comply with certain regulations since it involves working with electricity. Therefore, a user manual was created containing all the technical specifications and recommendations to follow. Additionally, the physical device featured visual alerts for the user. It is worth mentioning that user consent is required, where the purpose of the device and the potential risk associated with its use are explained, as well as the use of data clarifying that personal information will not be disclosed, but only data obtained from the device will be used. Furthermore, the cost of the materials used to develop the device are also shown.